Hey everyone, it's Susie here. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm filming in a different location today. It's just a really nice day out, so I opened the window. If you hear a little bit of road noise, it's just the road right out there. It's not too busy today because it's the weekend. It's New Year's Day, so it shouldn't be too loud out there, but sometimes it does get a bit loud. Please excuse my skin. My skin is like going through some kind of weird thing right now. I have to wear masks at my job at the hospital like pretty much all day long. And I don't know if I'm just allergic to the material of the masks that we're required to wear or what, but they are breaking me out. Something terrible. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But anyways, let's get on with today's video. So I shared on Instagram the other day, I was sharing with you guys that I tried out a makeup hack that I saw on Nicole Concilio's Instagram page. I think she did like a Reels or something. And if you go to her Instagram page, you'll probably see it. And I think she said she saw this on TikTok. Don't quote me on that, but I'm feeling like I think that's what she said. So I tried it out the other day and it worked so well. I loved the result and I thought I've got to share this with you guys. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using makeup tape. This is some makeup tape that I got at Sephora. It was pretty inexpensive. It was like, I think $6 for the roll, and it's a pretty big roll. So this is going to last you for like quite a long time. I think it's going to probably last me at least half a year, if not more. So we're going to be using this. And as you can see, I have not put on my face makeup yet because you want to do this before you do your face makeup, because this is tape and it's sticky, and if you put it on over any foundation, it's going to just take it right off. So we're going to go ahead and use this makeup tape. So the hack is to use makeup tape to create a liner, shadow liner. That's what it's called, shadow liner look. So you're going to basically be creating kind of this smoked out liner, but we're going to be using eyeshadow to create it. It's so easy. So what I want to do is, first off, this just tears really easily. I just want to tear, I'm going to tear off 2 pieces of this makeup tape. And what it does is you just peel off the back here, and we're going to stick it onto our eyes. And what I like to do is I like to kind of line it up with my bottom lash line and then kind of just angle it upward. So I'm just lining it up. Just like that. So that's about where I have mine, so that when you create this liner, it's going to, you know, have a nice like winged out effect to it. Just want them to be, you know, the same angle on both sides. It's gonna feel a little bit weird on your eyes with this makeup tape on, but it comes off really gently, so don't worry about it too much. And I've got my mirror over here, so if you guys see me looking over, it's because I've got my mirror right here. And I'm just using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I've really been liking it, and I think I'm gonna repurchase it. So once I have that on, I'm gonna give it just a few minutes to just kind of dry down. And for our eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this Tartelette palette. It's an older palette. I've had it for a while. It's really good for, you know, you really like neutral, basic kind of looks, because the colors, very basic color story, kind of muted, nothing overly fancy, but these colors can be really nice to use for eyeliner, so that's why I'm using it today. So I'm going to be using this one right here, and I'm just going to apply it all over the lid just to kind of create a nice base. Now for this look, you can pretty much, for this shadow liner, you can pretty much do any kind of eyeshadow look. I mean, you can use any colors. You're just going to use this technique for the eyeliner, but it really doesn't matter what kind of shadows you use. So you're free to do whatever colors you want to do. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little bit of a nude shade, and I want to keep it pretty nude because I really want you guys to be able to see the shadow liner really well. So just very, very nude. Okay, so this is a nice clean one. And I think for my crease color, I think I'm just gonna do something really basic. I think I'm gonna go in with this one here, Force of Nature. The other one was Free Spirit. This is just a really kind of peachy shade. Just gonna apply it to the crease. Super basic. I'm not applying any other colors because I really want you guys to be able to see the shadow liner. All right, and now we're all ready for our shadow liner. So this is how easy it's gonna be. It's gonna be so easy. You guys are gonna be like, wow. All right, so the brush that I like to use to create this shadow liner, the one I used the other day that worked really well for me, is a brush that is kind of shaped like this. So it's kind of flat, but kind of like a little bit domed at the top, pointy. And that's the kind I like to use. You can also use an angled brush if you have one. Let me see if I can find, or like one like this, where it's more just like a little smudger brush. You can use that. But for me, this one just works the best, and I'll show you guys why. The other day I used this brown here, but I think I just want to kind of go in with something kind of dark. I don't know, let's do something kind of different. Let's use this color right here. It's like a very dark plum, and it's Bombshell. So I'm just gonna get my brush, have some of that eyeshadow on it. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start off first by just kind of going in as close to my lash line as possible and just kind of working it in. Kind of drawing like a line along the lash line. And I kind of work it like halfway. And then here, you don't have to worry about the edges because you have the makeup tape. So I'm just gonna make sure I kind of really work it in to that little corner where the makeup tape meets. And I'm gonna do that on both sides first. And then we'll work on the actual liner. When I saw her do this, I was like, wow, I've got to try that. And then when I did, I was like, oh my gosh, it works so good. And I was skeptical, but I guess I can see how, you know, it works. It was amazing. I was like, wow, it's gonna be my new thing from now on. This is when we're gonna start creating that eyeliner. And what I do is I just kind of start from the outer edge here and kind of work it in and start creating like a line. Kind of filling in that gap. You want to really make sure you're packing that color. And don't be afraid to kind of angle upward a little bit. See how I'm kind of just going along the very edge of that makeup tape? Kind of drawing in a line there. And if for some reason you start doing it and you're like, I don't know, I don't feel like I have these lines even, all you have to do is peel it a little bit and move it down. So like I fixed that one just a little bit. And now I'm just gonna go back in and finish adding in my liner. And so once you've got your liner on there and you're ready to peel off, I like to start from the bottom and just pull up. And voila, look at that. Look how good that looks. And there we go. Is the finished product. It looks really good. You got a nice, crisp, clean line, and all you had to do was use some makeup tape. I thought this was a genius hack. It looks so good. and you don't have to use liquid eyeliner every time. Some people are not good with liquid eyeliner, and this is so much easier. You literally just draw with your eyeliner, or with your eyeliner, with your eyeshadow, a line there on the edges of the makeup tape, and just kind of create a winged out look, and then there you go. It is so easy. Seriously, I think you guys are gonna absolutely love this hack, and I'm really glad I saw it on Nicole Concilio's Instagram, and I'm not sure where she originally saw it, but that's where I saw it at, and I just think this is genius. I'm going to be using this all the time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to try out this hack, and I will have more videos coming for you as well. I do want to mention, I know I have a lot of viewers that view my videos but are not subscribed. Please go ahead and subscribe, because I am going to have so much coming this year. I already have a lot of things planned out. I do want to post a giveaway here soon to thank all my subscribers who've stuck with me through these years. And I'm just going to have so much new stuff coming. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell. Also, let me know down below if you guys can. I'm thinking about doing a live stream. I just don't know what days are best for anyone. So please let me know down below if you do like to watch live streams, what days are good for you to take like maybe 30 minutes out of your day to do a live stream with me, to like join in. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.